everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share some really effective and simple hair care hacks which will help you keep your tresses stress-free this summer. Let's get started. Number 1 is exfoliating. We exfoliate our facial and body skin to get rid of dead cells, but what about the skin of scalp? Next time, before you shampoo, try the super simple scalp exfoliator recipe. Take approximately 2 big spoons of sugar and add half the amount of coconut oil. Mix together and you will have amazing nourishing exfoliator for your scalp. If you don't have brown sugar, you can also use your white crystal sugar, but make sure to grind it first so that you have tiny granules. Now apply this onto your hair part by part and rub it gently to exfoliate dead cells, and wash with shampoo after exfoliating. Do this in the shower to avoid mess, and you can do this once every 10 to 15 days depending on your scalp need. Second tip is to dry massage your scalp before going to bed. All you need to do is gently massage your scalp using your fingertips. This stimulates blood circulation in your scalp and helps increase hair growth. It's an easy way to prevent hair loss and premature aging. You can also use a tool like this to massage your scalp, though it tickles. It's very relaxing and soothing and helps with your good night's sleep. Third hack is really interesting. It's a half wash hack. Oily and greasy top hair is really annoying, right? And you don't like washing your hair every other day. I have a really simple hack for you. All you need to do is grab top part of your hair and secure your back hair into a ponytail using an elastic band. You can then easily wash top part of your hair to retain volume and remove any greasiness or oil, but use it only as an emergency hack. Washing your hair thoroughly is important for healthy hair and scalp. Hack number 4 is top knot hot top. Top knot hot top. Okay, try saying it 5 times without mistake. So, क्या आप अपने चिपकू बालों से परेशान हैं और आप हर दिन blow dry नहीं करना चाहते? Pick a knot. I have an amazing overnight hack for you. Gather your hair and tie a top knot before going to bed. This hack will give you an amazing volume to your hair and you won't have to spend your precious time styling your hair every day. Don't believe me? Try it tonight. Tip number 5 is a life tip: not to have tangles in hair or in life. Do you go to sleep without brushing your hair? Well, please make sure to remove any tangles before going to bed, again in life or in hair. Brush your hair thoroughly starting from the bottom part and slowly moving upwards. This will ensure tangle-free hair and will reduce friction and thus breakage and damaged hair follicles. Brushing your hair before going to bed also stimulates blood flow and thus helps in making your tresses shiny and healthy. Tip number 6 is a really simple tip. We usually use cotton pillow covers mostly because they are free with the bed sheets. Okay, kidding. But seriously, cotton covers are not the best choice for your hair. Cotton is an absorbent fiber that can absorb moisture from your hair and can make your hair all frizzy and dry. Replace your cotton pillow covers with satin. Satin provides a nice slip for your hair and has a smooth texture that won't create friction or absorb moisture from your hair or skin. If you don't have satin pillow covers, then you can also place a satin or silk scarf or fabric between your pillow and hair and you're sorted. 7th tip is a suggestion. Don't be harsh, please. Do you dry your hair like this? Okay, I overacted. Or like this? Do you? Then please don't. It's really harsh. Oh wait, this is your way? It looks gentle, but this is also not good for your hair. The best way to dry out your hair using a towel is to gently hold your hair into the towel and squeeze the water out of your hair. If you rub your hair with the towel, it increases friction and thus tangles because wet hair is weak and prone to breakage. Rubbing your hair is not the best choice as it may make your hair frizzy and promote split ends and damaged hair. Tip number 8 is try to believe it. Do you use towel to dry your hair? But there is a better way. Next time, replace your towel with a t-shirt to dry your curly or wavy hair. Standard towel can absorb too much moisture and cause dryness and extra frizz. Groups of the towel become aggressors to the cuticle of our hair. It may sound weird, but t-shirts are the best options for curly or wavy hair. Choose a 100% cotton t-shirt. T-shirt does not have the rough grooves of a towel, so the water sinks into that surface and it slides through the hair instead of roughing it up. So this is the way you tie your t-shirt to dry your hair. Ninth hack is my favorite, and I love indulging in my own small hair spa session at my home sweet home. Tired of your dry, frizzy, damaged hair ends? Try this do-it-yourself hair spa at home. Take your favorite moisturizing and smoothing conditioner. I'm using Palmer's Honey Conditioner Hair, and take ample amount of it. Nahi kanjoosi nahi karni. You will need approximately 2 big spoons of conditioner for half of your hair. Now apply it gently on your hair ends because that's where your hair lacks nourishment the most. You can also apply it to your problematic areas or wherever you feel that your hair is dry or needs your attention. Gently massage it for a minute or half. Do not overdo it. Apply some more conditioner if needed, and then gently wrap your hair around your fingers and cover it in aluminum foil. Do the same thing for other part of your hair. Now take a small towel or hand towel and dip it into warm water carefully. Don't burn your hand, please be very careful, and squeeze excess water and then wrap it around the foil. This will ensure better absorption of nourishing and moisturizing ingredients into your tresses. Repeat this process for 5 to 7 times and wash it after 15 to 20 minutes using your regular cleansing routine, that is shampoo, then conditioner, and finally serum. And trust me, you will have amazing hair. Okay, I got overexcited there, but you will surely love your soft hair after this small spa session of yours. Tip number 10 is no frying, please. Usually whenever we are in a hurry, we try to style our hair when it's wet and end up frying it literally. If your hair is coated in water, you are basically boiling your hair. The heat creates bubbles inside the hair shaft which moves upwards, resulting in split ends, cracks, roughness, etc. It's always best to avoid heat, and if necessary, then use it only on dry hair. So these were my top 10 hair tips and hacks for amazing, healthy and nourished hair. So go on, rock your healthy, shiny tresses and enjoy, girl. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and this video was useful for you. If it was, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel so that we can stay connected, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.